Hello friends, welcome back. We are going to continue our learning SQL Server with ChatGPT. Now, directly go to the ChatGPT and then in the previous video, we created the table. Now, we are requesting and writing a syntax for inserting the record into the table. Let's write, please write insert query for above table. Query with dummy data. Let's hit it and then see what ChatGPT will provide. So you can see that it is here. We can copy it, and from here we can edit our message if we want to. If you are not satisfied with the result, now we already satisfied that, we just need to copy it. Open SQL Server. We already created the table in past. Let's create a new query, new window, and then just copy, and you can see that what they have entered and what we have here, employee ID cell, and if you are matching it, you can see that the department ID is new and we don't want it, right? So let's copy here and then see what is missing here. It's a department ID is extra. You can remove it. We don't want, or even you don't want to alter here, you just copy this one and write here, because we don't have department ID in the table. You can write here without this column. Now if you see insert query, you can see that here insert query is made this time, and go back and then just copy paste here. You can see that department ID is gone now, and we can match this employee ID, first name, last name. You can just copy it and just paste it here, and then see employee ID, first name, last name, birth date, hire date, and salary. Now it is matching with the. So whenever ChatGPT, we need to verify the query as well without copy paste in the window, right? So earlier it was giving me the department ID, which is not right because I don't have department ID in the table. So I again rewrite my syntax and I write here without department ID, without this column, so that we generated the query again, and now we have the data, and just execute it. You can see that the 5 rows is affected. Let's see whether we have 5 rows inserted correctly or not. Select star from employee. Let's see whether we have the data. Yes, it's perfectly inserted the data. Let's delete this query and go to the ChatGPT again and ask, write query to update the record. So it will give you the syntax first and the example. Just copy this example and go to your window where we already have that. So you can see that we are going to update that hire date, salary, and hire date, and it is showing that employee ID 3. So this one we are gonna update. So initially the value is 58,000, but now we are going to update it and we are making 60,000. Let's update this query. Select it, execute. It's executed. Let's select, again write the query, select this star from table name. So you can see that the row number 3 employee ID 3 has been updated and the salary is now 60,000. So this is how the update query is applied. Now we go back to this. So we see that the create table and then select table, update, insert, and now we are gonna see the delete one. Let's go here and write delete query. That's it. So it will give you the delete query. So here the syntax that delete from table where condition. Now just copy this query. This is the example, and here we are not gonna remove any query instead of update. So we saw that the employee ID 3 we updated earlier. Now we are gonna delete this query. You can see that employee ID 3 and we are deleting the same row. Let's execute it. One row affected, and then again select the query and then see that third number employee ID is deleted from the table. So that's it about the creation, deletion, selection, and the insert. So this is we can see that it is data manipulation language as well. This is DML. So in upcoming videos we'll see how to work with joins, how to connect the two tables, and we'll see more about that in upcoming videos with the help of ChatGPT. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.